Hi guys, so this is the tutorial for today. It's actually just a full face. It's really glowy sunset cheeks and all that good stuff, and of course I got my good hair on, honey. This is from iShow Hair, my second time working with iShow Hair, and I have to be completely honest, out of the straight hair that I got and this one, I'm preferring this one way more. It's the texture. I'm in love with deep curly texture. This is actually their, I had to go back into my email before I started this video. Their Mongolian hair. It's 20 inch, so it's 26 inches with a 20-inch frontal, 20 to 24, 26. So 20, 22, 24, 26. Everything is in my head. I even took a little bit of some other probably 14-inch or something like so, and I stuck it somewhere there because I was running out of space because of how I sewed the hair. I really wanted this hair to be really nice and thick, full. The hair is kind of damp right now because I washed it last night and the roots have not yet dried down completely. So this hair, ooh, look at my, I'm sweating, I'm sorry you guys, but this is how long it is on me. This is the 20-inch frontal that you're seeing, and if I stretch it, it goes like right in like the middle of like my butt crack or whatever. Right, so again, this is from iShow Hair. I'm so glad I got the opportunity to work with them again because this texture is what I love. Now I do experience shedding with this hair. Yep. I did wash it last night, and when I was washing it, I was just getting hairs and hairs out. So I'm attributing that to when I was sewing the hair, cutting this, sewing that, cutting this, going around, cutting this, fine. So when I was the second time, I'll see how it goes, and I will definitely update you guys via my Instagram page. But I love this hair so much. I definitely prefer this texture to the straight hair texture. I prefer this one, and I love curly hair on me. Jesus, I wanted to add some color, but I have to wait to add some color. So I'm going to see if I can add some color to another deep wave hair that I'll be getting, because I will be getting more deep wave hair. I just feel like it fits my frame a little bit better, being that I'm a little bit thicker now, being I'm 6 months pregnant, 6 months and a week pregnant. I'm getting huge, but you guys tell me that this time my oh sorry, just fixing my eyeshadow. But was that a collarbone? What is this? Haven't seen this in forever. Right, but you guys tell me that my weight is being like this like dispersed differently in my body. Like my arms are still big, and like my back fat here, I hate that part of my, I just don't like my back fat. I just, no matter what, I would never like my back fat. But yeah, but this is what it looks like. And if you guys follow my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut, you'll know the gender or not know the gender. I ain't gonna say no more. Go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, my Lyric Uncut channel. Anyway, iShow Hair. Everything will be linked in the description bar below. Plus, I am going to show you guys the struggle this morning I faced with using this Salon Pro to do my, like, to glue down the hair, and this Pump It Up, which I normally use. Now, as I tell you guys, the Pump It Up, I don't recommend the Pump It Up if you're going to have a long day. I do this just for tutorials, but I actually end up wearing the hair for the entire day. So if you guys follow me on my Instagram or my Snapchat, both of them are Lyric Rochester, then you guys can be completely updated. You guys will see when I get the hair, when I'm making the wig, when I first put it on, and all that good stuff. You guys see everything, honey, everything. So this is it for this intro. I won't go long, and I'm out of breath. Enjoy it. It's a long one because it's a no step skipped. It's a long one, so please enjoy the video. Alrighty, so I'm going to start off by putting on my stocking cap, and this is just the brown stocking cap. I did not do the method where you like cut around the stocking cap, glue it down, all that good stuff. I just slipped it on and then just apply the wig. As I said before, it's 26 inches. I did not bleach. It's a frontal. I did not bleach the frontal. Recently, I've been using my foundation, and it works just as well. That foundation is my Huda Beauty foundation that I use, and that's in the color, I think it's 510R, Cocoa 510R. So I'm just putting that on the lace of the frontal. But I'm going to go ahead and apply. But based on how I made the wig, I apply the cap first, as seen here. And then I pull down the brown stocking cap, and so apply the dome cap first, pull down the brown stocking cap so it's on my forehead so that it can blend a little bit, and then I just put on the wig. So I tried using this Salon Pro hair bonding glue, and let's see the result, even though you already know from the intro of the video. But I really thought it was gonna work, and I was like, yes girl, you are so innovative. This is a cheaper alternative. You can do this. But I think maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe because it's latex. I don't know, honey. And I'm just piling it on, and it's just staying clumpy. It's not really going clear, you know. See, it stays white. So off camera I just removed it because it wasn't drying. I tied it down and everything. It wasn't drying, so I'm just removing, as you can see, the glue from my hairline. And as you saw, I did not put it on my hair at all. This is strictly around my hairline, sorry, or in front of my hairline. Like none of my hair from my head is being torn out. So yeah, so now I'm going in with my good old trusty Pump It Up, and this is what I use to adhere my wigs. And I always say, as I said in the intro, they don't last long, but I end up wearing this for the entire day. I love how this hair wears. As I said, it's Mongolian, so it is shedding more than I'm used to. But I'm just hoping that it's just what do I call it now? Like preliminary shedding, and not shedding for the rest of my life. Shedding. But yeah, that's how I apply my wig. So the rest of this video is not going to be a voiceover. I actually got some dental work done, and the roof of my mouth is very sore, so talking is very uncomfortable for me. So I'm just going to leave my music to run. And the reason why I'm using this music, again, the artist is called DAJ, is because I do not get copywritten. I don't get written up. Like YouTube sees it as just regular music. They don't write me up for it, and my channel don't get a strike. And you know, you have to be careful of some music that you use. So this video is a 100% no step skip. I think, what did I do off camera? Did I apply my lashes off camera? Like everything is on camera, I believe. I know you guys love these videos, and I'd love to do a voiceover, but I really can't. And I'm like, as I'm talking to you, I have a wig in my hand finishing, and I'm very, like, talking is really uncomfortable for me. So and then I have another dentist appointment tomorrow because I'm doing a root canal, and being pregnant is really uncomfortable. So I'm just trying to get this over with, you know. So it's a 3-hour process. I'm doing it by I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but anyway, I'm doing it by the student dentist up by like Up Children's, if you're in Jamaica, what we're talking about. If not, my apologies. But the Topside Children's, and that's where I'm going. It's hella cheaper. Anywhere else you go for your root canal, it's like between 40 and 80 grand. This procedure is only costing me 10 grand. So it's a 2-step procedure. So 2 3-hour procedures. So it's 6 hours in total, but it's split down the middle. It's rough. Like at the end of the day, I just want to go home. But yeah, so I'm going to give my mouth a break and talk to you guys in the next video, you guys. Thank you so much for your patience. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it. If you know of any music that I can use, because I know most of you are tired of this one, just let me know. There's a lyric, Jesus Christ, check out this link. You know, music that won't get my channel written up. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
God bless. Hey boy DJ, I'm gonna say that one now straight out of stream out of studio. Don't know the thing though. I'm gonna say slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing though. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for. I no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, I make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, cause me no preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me caliber. You a leader, surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die die for me sin like him holy. Him able go ask one can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord them a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face of reaper. With my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter. With a eater me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pandemnesia. Devil have to run like same is a pack of zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager no hurry neither. Man a Solomon a coulda what do she all but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. Him never fail not a one fox. Satan in cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help God me contact. Walk by faith so me don't want no contact. And me say the most I send him son fi die for me. So me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio I lay down a one track. Me stay on track like a ham track. Slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. Right I know what me feel for and no reefer. Scripture what they on the leaf ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper in a fever and deliver me like a pizza off of the street. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher come and a preacher. Me no follow back a neither cause me a leader. You know enough for me can leader. You a leader surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me slowly but surely I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord him a show me tell them. 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 God bless. I'm somebody I wanna buy. Nothing too serious. Yeah. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. So you like tell people lie. If you can't accommodate evil guy. It's easier for you see a vehicle fly. Or see a camel go through the legal eye. I know the youths are the future so build them. No matter try sell them you build them. And you are call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you not touch no little children. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord feel live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. All a kick out you man, me ask you wake him there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit, you feel be up on the limb there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. No accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Call yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You don't go to hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. You can't come and eyeball, you a free me son. That fishy just like the CBS son. You a walk around with a mask on your face like what you try to be Jason. You can't eyeball free me son. That fishy like the CBS son. You a walk around with a mask on your face like Jason. Me I go look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment beat the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Look for you and tell you see the Father. Before judgment beat the Gaza. downtown, you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer? 33 degrees, you reach the border. You are the now, you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Jaja never fail. What is it? I'm stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian, you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. The landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian, you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. You are all when me no have no funds. Now go turn to the knife or the guns. Father got the man take care of the birds, so him now left out him daughters and sons. Yesterday my basket full of crumbs, but today it weigh about couple tons. Anytime the Father working miracle, devil laugh you wonder how come. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian, you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. On the Lord God you can depend. Him now go trick and him now go pretend. Anything you want know the Father we send come give you. He no matter where or when. Same God no one of the same God then. Did it before him can do it again. The same God do bless Isaac and Jacob, Job and Noah. Yes him are my friend. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Said the landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Christian you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother come me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like some me stuck in a traffic and me lay behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, 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 yeah. Free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother fi live in a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camp of pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like a way. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. We freed up the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like some is stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say, free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say all the stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. You know what I mean? I wanna be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. God bless the boy DJ. I mean, I say it's all about long suffering. No? You what? Have faith and wait. Hear me now. Why me say Christmas come but only once a year. But DJ I wait on the 25th. And you what? For me know say me have life. Me know say that me possess a gift. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. JPS lock off me night, and the boss go fire me, that can't be right. The landlord want fear rent by tonight. Me want food for bite, and me not thief and that money can't afford for bite. God knows so me just a stay strong. Police can't daddy gone up a station. No food, no in the house. Baby a ball, and me can't take the separation. Some work and say me a go try it, but me a feel the ex them a put up a fight. Bad minded just forget a up a hype. Ya know sometimes me feel like we just go soft, we broke a fight. I know say me just a hold on, even though me they have from all long. Me know say you dead the Lord and you don't gone, so me now get vexed and I stand up a fall on. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. Life hard and it no soft, but the Lord of mine rather than me staff. Weeping me know for the whole lot tonight, but tomorrow morning me know me a go laugh. And you are Lord, even though Lord you know I wanna bus, no me nah go feel shame to drive on a bus. And even if me dead spiritually me a go wait, cause me a go rise like Lazarus. Till the man Jesus alone I man a trust. Me and the Lord go way back like rhinoceros. Me man a tell me if me want good, me nose have to run, and me really nah go make my mother ghost. So me just a wait, me want to look on every gate, and even the him garments I wanna touch. So me nah worry, no in a no hurry. Me nah go on like calm and a rush. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. No matter what, to the most and me a stay true. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Wait for me breakthrough. Me a wait for me breakthrough. Even though the enemy a try stop me like breakthrough. God bless. Hey boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah man. Have to make a joyful Isaiah. Yeah, me a say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No, so when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined to kill evil with my beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a key man. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus, me that be a layman. See man who care the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord Raymond, him able to wipe all the stain off of Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him do fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a flask in a one party with a car. In my beer stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a beer sod. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over our do away with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. And a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the in the Dell. If I never David, I would the Bible. You see me what day with, I would a AK with a banana clip. I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me I travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Found me that make blood a run like Dungeon.